So next component that we are going to look in is profit before tax. It is the same thing what we discussed in our earlier video for EBITDA. Some of them call it as PBT, some of them call it as EBITDA. That is all the difference that is going to work in. So it is basically profit before taxes, the same way your revenue minus expenditure, what is the profit. Don't get carried away or don't get confused when an investor asks you what is your PBT. All you need to do is very simple, give him the residues that is left over from your revenue minus expenditure. That is what we call it as profit before tax. Now, similarity between EBITDA and PBT is EBITDA has got your depreciation and amortization, whereas in PBT it is much more in a further more layman word. This is what my revenue is and this is what my expenditure is. In EBITDA, we are still not yet done with the deductions on your income tax, depreciation and amortization. The same way in PBT is going to be only profit before tax. That is, how much did you get as profits before you pay your taxes. Now in the next component we will be talking about what is PAT. Now these are all our certain jargons that are used, like your EBITDA, PBT, PAT. I mean, this is like makes it easier for an investor to calculate your whole thought process that you have put in the Excel sheets. So it is just going to be like a pinnacle. So for a pyramid to be built across, you had base, mid and the top one, that is the pinnacle. So pinnacle of all your business plans will be these kind of jargons like PBT, PAT, EBITDA. So this will give clarity to investor. If he is asking in for X amount of funds and with profits being this much, how does this correlate to? So that will give them clarity. Have you made a too highly unrealistic thought process or a realistic thought process or a too pessimistic thought process? That is what can be clearly seen when you come into these abstracts. So that is where profit before tax gives clarity to an investor. What is the residue left over after your expenses being deducted from the revenues? Hope it's clear. Thank you.